Well, folks, Sony back. It's been a minute, but I've been working on some things. I just wanted to show off this. Actually, I'm doing this more for me to see how this comes out. I just picked up this Trac 7x16 trailer, brand new. 7 G was it? The total is like 7,000. I can carry about 5,000. It's either this or a big Tex, but I do like this too. And a clip for the plug. This is made of zinc. Overall, right now I'm getting ready to oil stain this deck. I only got this 2 days ago. 5,500 brand new. I didn't realize trailers were so expensive, but I've been saving. I've been using my old one for I think 7 years now. So I finally upgraded. 7x16. I only needed like a 14. I had a 5.5 by 11 before, so I added an extra 5 feet. I went with the Tandem axle, just so I'm good. And it's either this or big Tex, but I went with Trac because they have diamond plate on their fenders, which is nice, or you know, the traction. This gate folds in, you know. All you gotta do is remove these pins. You can fold it in. I haven't got to tow too much with it yet because I haven't needed it yet. Only thing I dislike is only one pocket here and a pocket up there. Why they couldn't have put a pocket here or here? I mean, I can wrap off to the 2x2 tubing, but it's kind of cool. I like it. Oh, and the lights. My other trailer I probably bought quite a few sets of lights. And I like these little blinkers are tiny. Tinier the better, less chance of getting broke. Nice tube. Like I said, 16 feet. So I better do whatever I need to do. Yeah, you can see up here. I am gonna put a winch on it and a box, toolbox to put all my ratchets in. All right, I'm gonna get the stain in this deck and see how it comes out. Peace.